Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for sophisticated home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring 10 luxurious lighting scenes specifically designed to elevate your spring and Easter pastel aesthetics with elegance. We will show you how to blend soft hues with premium illumination to create a truly high-end atmosphere. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our latest design tips. A magnificent crystal candelabra serves as the shimmering centerpiece for a lavender-themed Easter dining table. The flickering candlelight dances off the faceted glass, casting a sophisticated prismatic effect across the room's soft pastel walls. This setup combines traditional luxury with the airy freshness of a spring morning. Each crystal droplet captures the essence of refined seasonal celebration. Wall-mounted brass sconces are delicately adorned with pale mint velvet ribbons to soften their metallic gleam. The warm white bulbs provide a gentle wash of light that highlights the intricate textures of your spring wall art. This lighting choice creates a cozy yet upscale vibe perfect for an evening garden party transition. It is an effortless way to merge classic hardware with whimsical holiday accents. An ornate white iron chandelier is reimagined with silk peonies in shades of blush and cream entwined through its arms. The hidden LED filaments glow within the floral arrangement, creating a magical botanical focal point for a formal foyer. This installation mimics the feeling of a blooming spring garden brought indoors under a canopy of light. It offers a breathtaking first impression for any guest entering your home this Easter. Artistic pendant lights shaped like delicate cracked eggs feature a gold leaf interior that radiates a rich, warm amber hue. Suspended at varying heights over a kitchen island, these fixtures celebrate the Easter spirit through a modern architectural lens. The contrast between the matte white exterior and the glowing gold creates a stunning visual depth. They provide functional task lighting while serving as a bold statement of luxury design. A soft blue LED strip is discreetly placed behind a collection of porcelain Easter figurines and frosted glass vases on the fireplace mantel. This silhouette lighting technique adds a contemporary edge to traditional pastel decor by creating a soft, heavenly halo. The glow emphasizes the clean lines of your mantelpiece while providing a calming ambient mood. It turns a simple shelf into a curated gallery of seasonal sophistication. A bespoke table lamp featuring a base filled with iridescent faux pearls brings a touch of coastal elegance to your spring living room. The silk drum shade diffuses light into a creamy texture that perfectly complements peach and apricot upholstery. This lighting scene exudes a quiet luxury that feels both timeless and seasonally appropriate. It provides a soft corner glow that invites relaxation during the vibrant spring months. Custom under-cabinet lighting is adjusted to a faint rose quartz tint to wash over a marble countertop decorated with pastel treats. This subtle splash of color enhances the natural veining of the stone and brightens the entire kitchen workspace. The soft pink undertone provides a youthful energy without sacrificing the kitchen's high-end aesthetic. It creates a seamless flow between functional lighting and holiday-inspired color palettes. Exquisite paper lanterns in soft lemon and sky blue are placed along an indoor hallway to guide guests with a soft, diffused radiance. These lanterns are weighted with decorative stones and lit from within by smart bulbs set to a warm flicker. This arrangement adds a rhythmic visual interest to transitional spaces while maintaining an airy feel. It is a playful yet polished way to introduce festive lighting into every corner of your home. Elegant glass topiary sculptures are filled with microfairy lights to mimic the look of glowing spring morning dew. Placed on side tables, these luminous accents provide a delicate sparkle that interacts beautifully with floral arrangements. The frosted finish ensures the light is never harsh, maintaining a sophisticated and dreamy atmosphere. These pieces act as jewelry for your room, adding that final touch of Easter magic. Large floor-to-ceiling windows are paired with hidden warm spotlights that mimic the golden hour of a spring sunset. These lights are directed toward oversized pastel arrangements to ensure the colors pop even after the sun goes down. This scene creates a seamless transition between the outdoor garden and your luxurious interior sanctuary. If you enjoyed these luminous ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more design inspiration.